Hi, it's Miss Connie from the Northwest Public Library, and today I wanted to read you another story. I wanted to read you a story about my favorite animal in the whole world, and that is cats. If you come downstairs to the library and you see our new interactive poster for January, it says, if you could have any animal in the world as your pet, who would you have? And even dragons, dinosaurs, I would still choose the cat. I would, because it's my favorite. So, today's story is Fluffy McWhiskers, Cuteness Explosion. Look at them. Can you make your eyes like that? Can you do that? We're going to read about Fluffy and what makes him so cute. Fluffy McWhiskers was cute. Do you think they're cute? Dangerously cute. Kaboom! What happened? Yes. Fluffy McWhiskers was so cute that if you saw her, you'd explode. Kaboom! Elephants, snakes, platypuses, even a cute little koala. If you saw Fluffy McWhiskers, kaboom! That's not safe. This, of course, made Fluffy very sad and extremely lonely. Look at her. She's just suffering. She tried to fix her problem, an ugly sweater, a bad haircut. Well, here goes nothing, she says. It's an at-home haircut. But nothing worked. They only made her cuter. Oh, look at her. She even tried wearing a paper bag over her head. But that was ridiculously cute. Kaboom! Just when she thought it couldn't get any worse, they published her picture in the newspaper. Animal Times. Cutest cat ever. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Everyone's reading it. That's when things got out of hand. Kaboom! Kaboom! Fluffy McWhiskers had no choice. She needed to go somewhere far, far away where no one would find her. Eventually, she found exactly what she was looking for. Where did she go? To the moon? Oh, who's in here? Nope, spoke too soon. Kaboom! You've got to be kidding me, she said. Fluffy tried again. Where is she this time? The island was perfect. True, volleyball was not so much fun. Getting her tummy scratched required a lot of work. And pizza took forever to be delivered. But Fluffy could eat, sleep, read, and even watch the stars from her super cute telescope day after day, night after night. All alone. Again, she tried to fix the problem, but burp! She got hungry. There Fluffy sat, day after day, night after night, getting cuter and cuter and fluffier. Sometimes she tossed a letter out to sea to pass the time. He gets the message. This handwriting is so cute. Kaboom! Even her handwriting is out of control. Until one day, Fluffy heard a very unusual sound. Ruff! Fluffy freaked. Someone was on the island. Someone had found her. Someone was about to explode. Fluffy tried to run, but there was nowhere to go, nowhere to hide, not even the pizza box. So she closed her eyes and waited. Ruff! Bark! Huh? Nothing. Who's that? A dog? I don't understand, said Fluffy. Why didn't you explode, dog? I was going to ask you the same question, Cat, replied the extremely cute dog. Oh, he is pretty cute. Volleyball suddenly became pretty awesome. Getting her tummy scratched required a lot less work. Fluffy had finally found a friend. Aw, how cute is that? Kaboom! The end. So I hope you enjoyed our story for today. I hope you come down, you pick out some animal books, and you fill out the interactive poster about what animal you would have if you could own any.